In Young's double slit experiment, the slits are 2 mm apart and are illuminated by photons of two wavelengths. Lambda 1 is equal to 12,000 angstrom and lambda 2 is equal to 10,000 angstrom. At what minimum distance from the common central bright fringe on the screen, 2 meters from the slit, will a bright fringe from one interference pattern coincide with the bright fringe from the other? To solve this, we need to determine the minimum distance at which a bright fringe of one wavelength coincides with the bright fringe of the other in Young's double slit experiment. We are given the slit separation d is equal to 2 mm, which is nothing but 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters, and wavelength lambda 1 is equal to 12,000 angstrom, which is nothing but 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter, and lambda 2 is equal to 10,000 angstrom, which is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter, and distance from the slit to the screen d is equal to 2 meters. Let's first calculate fringe spacing. The fringe spacing y for each wavelength is given by y is equal to lambda d by d. So for lambda 1 is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 meters, we have fringe spacing y1 is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 2 divided by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Where in the numerator we have lambda into d is nothing but 2 meters divided by small d. Small d is nothing but the distance between the slits. Thus on solving, we get y1 is equal to 1.2 mm. Let's solve the same for lambda 2 is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. We get y2 is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 2 divided by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Upon solving, we get y2 is equal to 1 mm. Let's find the minimum distance where the fringes coincide. For the fringes to coincide, the distance y from the central bright fringe must be a common multiple of both y1 and y2. We find the least common multiple of y1 and y2. Since y1 is equal to 1.2 mm and y2 is equal to 1 mm, the LCM of 1.2 and 1 is 6. Thus, the minimum distance from the central bright fringe at which a bright fringe from one pattern will coincide with the bright fringe from the other is 6 mm, which is nothing but option A.